Hi, my name is Colin, and I'm happy to share with you PBLplans.com, where you can generate change in seconds. In this video, I will show you how quick and easy it is to navigate through the website to create your own customized gold standard PBL lesson plan. To begin from the home page, click on the green button at the top right of the screen labeled Sign In. Enter your email address and password, and then click on the blue button in the center of the screen labeled Sign In. You will be taken to your lesson plans page. This page will track all of the lesson plans you have generated and allow you to revisit them to include notes, make changes, or add resources for future iterations and usage. All lesson plans can be downloaded in PDF for printing if no computer is available to the teacher on site. To begin customizing your lesson plan, click on the green button at the top right of the screen labeled Lesson Plan Generator. Select your class, information from the drop-down menus below, or fill in the field with the appropriate information that will assist in customizing your lesson plan. Begin with your grade or grades. Next, enter the subject. Then narrow down the subject to a lesson plan topic. Enter the class size. Enter the group size, meaning how many students do you want to have working together in each group? I'm going to say 4 or 5 students per group. The duration of this project, it's going to take 1 week. We're going to have 5 one-hour lessons throughout the week. And the associated SDG, we can choose any of the 17 SDGs, or if we're not quite sure, we can just ask the generator to surprise me. I think based on the topic of social issues, I think gender equality is a good SDG for us to integrate. Next, you can add any learning objectives and any other relevant information that you would like to include in your lesson plan. This can include more details about the curriculum requirements or the learning objectives you wish to meet, information about the community and the organizations you wish to include or engage with, or any ideas you may have for projects. I've put together a little note ahead of time with some information focusing on the areas that I want to be sure to include in my lesson plan. And I'll just copy and paste it and drop it into the box here. Next, we click on Submit in the bottom right of the screen, and the lesson plan generator will work its magic, and shortly you will be provided with a gold standard PBL lesson plan to share with your class. Once generated, you have the following options. The button on the left, Download PDF, allows you to download the lesson plan into a printable PDF for use where no computer access is available. Next, Update Lesson. This button allows you to make edits to the lesson plan. This will allow you to make any notes, any changes, or any additions to the lesson plan that has been generated. The next box, second from the right, Edit Prompts, allows you to edit the drop-down menu and the text box responses at the top of the generator. Finally, the Reject button allows you to completely regenerate the lesson from the information provided at the beginning. You can return to your profile's dashboard page to review, revise, and revisit past lesson plans. I think we're going to download this one. I'm confident it's going to work out well. We can download it, print it out, and we can bring it into the classroom to guide us through each of the 5 lessons in this project. Well, everyone, I look forward to hearing about your lesson plans coming up soon. Enjoy yourself. Happy teaching.